Ang utos ng hari hindi pwedeng mabali. Again, I informed the Speaker and asked clearance about the instructions ng Pangulo. At ang sabi niya, wala tayong magagawa. Kaya po nagtataka ako kung bakit sinasabi ni Pangulo na hindi niya makilala ang budget, samantalang lahat na binawas at dinagdag sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno ay humihingi ng approval sa kanya si Sekmina Pangandaman.
With a dubious preemptive impeachment complaint para mabakunahan at mapigilan ang mga impeachment attempts for 1 whole year.
At ang nag-file po nito, Attorney Andre De Jesus, for the record, was he ever the lawyer of First Lady Lisa? Supposed to be it's a disbarment case against Attorney Glenn Chong.
Yeah, there is this misconception, Pinky. Attorney Andre De Jesus has never been a counsel of First Lady Lisa Marcos. As a matter of fact, Pinky, si First Lady, hindi po ito balat sibuyas. Hindi po ito nagsasampa ng kaso. Kahit ano pong bash ang gawin nyo sa kanya, kahit anong negatibo, kahit fake news ang ibigay nyo sa kanya, hindi po yan nagsasampa ng kaso.
They specifically, expressly, categorically, and absolutely denied that this is motivated just for the purpose of triggering a ban. But these are valid, legitimate grounds that have been raised on so many occasions.
Ang Pangulo po at ang administrasyon na ito ay hindi po eksperto sa paggawa ng intriga at hindi eksperto sa pagplanta ng ebidensya.
Binakunahan na sinampal na ng impeachment complaint itong ating butihing presidente nang sampahan siya ng isang nagngangalang Attorney Andre De Jesus na inendorso ng isang contractor representative Jet Nisay, or is it Jeff?
My name is Jeff.
Ng Pusong Pinoy Party List.
I'm Attorney Andre R. De Jesus. I'm the complainant in this verified impeachment complaint that I had just filed with the House Secretary General against our sitting president, Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr. There are 6 grounds comprising the complaint itself.